everyone, and once again welcome to my channel. In this video, as you can see, we are inside my fridge and we're gonna clean it. We're gonna clean this fridge. I've been postponing it for the longest, but it's time for me to tackle this fridge. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I've been postponing it for, I don't even want to show you in there. I really don't. I don't want to show you in there. It's a little embarrassing. But, yeah, I've been postponing cleaning the refrigerator for a while, for a couple of days now. For a couple of weeks. Who am I kidding? Yeah, for a couple of weeks. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is, tomorrow is when I go grocery shopping. So I want to go ahead and clean out the kitchen, throw away anything that's expired, anything that, you know, needs to be out, clean it really good, leave it brand new. So like that tomorrow when I go food shopping, it's easier for me to just come and put the stuff away than to come home, clean the refrigerator, leave my groceries out in the table and in the island and the counters until I take an hour, 40 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, whatever, to clean the refrigerator and have my food just laying everywhere in bags until I do that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tackle that situation today. Hopefully it'll stay clean until tomorrow, that when I go food shopping I come back and I make it look nice. So yeah, I also would like to take this time to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I am so excited and so happy. Virtual hugs and kisses. Thank you so much. In the last week I got like 10-11 new subscribers, and that I was like, oh my god, like did my account get hacked or something? But I am so grateful. I'm humbled. So yeah, so if you're here and you still haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Please consider giving me thumbs up, and also consider hitting that notification bell so like that when I do upload, you get notified. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and tackle that beast behind me. Let's get into the video.
I don't need no one to say you're complicated, 'cause I knew from the start this might be overrated.
Okay guys, if you know, then you know. This is the holy grail right here. This is Vicks. I was brought up in this. If you're Spanish, you know I like to put my Vicks in the refrigerator because it helps me with my migraine. And this is just whatever. You got a headache, ponte Vicks. Your feet hurt, ponte Vicks. You're dying, ponte Vicks.
This might be a breakup, 'cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. 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 One thing I love about you is your dedication. It got me dreaming.
¿Qué planes tienes este fin de semana? ¿Para dónde es? Comunícate conmigo, somos Frig. 1-800-315-9790. IG, High Sensation.
At the station, on my way home, oh, I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup, 'cause I don't believe you when you say might be a breakup. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. I don't believe you, no, no. I don't believe you, 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 no, no. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the directions that's leading away from me, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Trying to make up your mind like you need more time. You've already spent most of mine. Even when your words fail, you try to keep it light. You realize I'm done right. You can be honest. I don't appreciate your lies. It's about damn time you get it right. I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest worried that I'll move on and walk right here? You always try to find a way out, buying yourself time. I'll make it easier for you and say goodbye. You can be honest. I don't appreciate your lies. It's about damn time you get it right. 'Cause I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest worried that I'll move on and walk right here? Well, I'm out here. 'Cause I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest worried that I'll move on and walk right out here? I'm up all night, keep pretending. Save the world. I'm up all night, keep talking, yeah. Worried that I'm out of here. I'm out of here.
Light me up, don't you stop. 'Cause tonight, it's on the line. Show me how you get on down. Close my eyes, take me for a ride. Got to be you. So come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your phoenix tonight. light me up. I still need to fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your phoenix tonight. Come on and rise. Come on and rise. Come on and rise. Baby, you light me up. I just can't get enough. 'Cause I need your fire. So come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your phoenix tonight. Come on.
Okay guys, after rinsing and washing my ribs, I'm gonna go ahead and soak them in vinegar for about 5 or 10 minutes before I go ahead and start seasoning them. Before I start prepping this meat, a public service announcement. Please do not come for me. I am one that I like to get in there and season my meat. My mama used to always tell me I want that meat to be so seasoned that I could taste the seasoning in the bone. So if you don't want to get dirty, then this is not the kitchen for you. So if you're in my kitchen, you need to get in there and get your hands dirty and season that meat. So that's exactly what I do. So at this time, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the vinegar off, and I'm just gonna rinse it off, but not wash it off, if it makes sense. And then here I am, I'm just gonna go ahead and season it. I apologize, I do not do measurements. This is how my mom used to do it, this is how my mother-in-law used to do it. All the big cooks in my life that I've seen and that I learned from, they always did it like this. So I apologize, I do not do measurements. I eyeball it, I taste, and I smell. That's how I know if my food tastes good or not.
Honey, don't take me for granted, 'cause I don't recognize you anymore. Once sweet and caring, now cold and calculated. You can't be trusted. You want the world for your own. You want maximum profit. I can't afford to stay, so get out of my way. Smoking down the track, I never looking back. You can't be with me anymore. You can't be with me. Once I will let you in, but now I let you go.
Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal.
never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us up for the stable friend of mine. Cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care. Could be good, then you fade, then you fade. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care. Could be good, then you fade, then you fade away. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing my feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. How much you're messing with me, 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 how much you're messing with me.